ठीक है.
Hello, hello.
Hello. On the count of 3 to 1, today I want to make a declaration, like a statement. Okay, so are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Cancelled. 2020 has been cancelled. सुना तुमने? ओके देखो, सिर्फ 2020 कैंसिल नहीं हुआ है. तुम्हें और मुझे, यानी कि जो मैड हार्ट ऑफिशियल टॉकर्स हैं, पीआरएस को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी गई है टू डिजाइन अ लॉकडाउन 2020 म्यूजियम टू सैल्वेज व्हाटएवर लिटिल ऑफ 2020 वाजंट कैंसिल्ड. ठीक है, तो एक हम लॉकडाउन म्यूजियम डिजाइन करें और तुम्हें और मुझे अपने अपने सेल्फ क्वारंटाइन से कुछ चीजें डोनेट करनी है इस म्यूजियम में. तो शुरुआत करते हैं आपसे मोहतरमा. आप क्या देंगी हमारे म्यूजियम को?
Okay, so let me see if I've got this right. 2020 has been cancelled by forces, and you and I, but obviously, are the in charge of this lockdown museum. So, are we like chronicling our times of quarantine in this museum?
जी.
Okay. So, if we are chronicling these times of quarantine, I would like to put Mad Heart Talks in this museum. Because, for those of you who've just joined our channel, a gentle recap of why Priya and Savika got to making Mad Heart Talks. हमारी friendship चली है 13 साल की, and उसमें हमने कितने ही सारे projects किए, but we realized that, in these uncertain times, Savika said this on our first video, कि if there is one thing which would give her solace was listening to two friends talk with no holds bar and bring on relatable themes which are, I swear, honest to God. So, that's how Mad Heart Talks was born. Two friends talking about relatable themes. So, I think this is the encapsulation of the lockdown for me. How about you?
So technically, Mad Heart Talks is the museum. Priya Goswami. Because it's a lockdown series, so technically this is the lockdown museum. But ठीक है, अभी आप म्यूजियम के अंदर म्यूजियम में आ जाइए. हम लोग फिल्म मेकर्स हैं, तो हमें फ्रेम विद इन फ्रेम करने में बड़े मजे आते हैं. तो हाँ, चलिए हमारी बारी. Okay, so I have my objects around me. So Priya, of course, has seen me through a lot of depressive bouts, and somehow around all my depressive bouts, this one motif keeps recurring. तो ये नारियल पानी पता नहीं कैसे हमेशा रहा है हमारे साथ. जब हमारे आंसू बह रहे होते हैं तो हम नारियल पानी पी रहे होते हैं. तो what has changed right now is that of course this is being home delivered to me. So on some days what happens, Priya, is कि नारियल पानी आता है और वो टूटता ही नहीं है क्योंकि वो इतना ड्राई होता है. But I've chosen not to complain about it because I really think that the people who are delivering food to us are really our foot soldiers, and honestly this is not a time to complain. But this particular nariyal, this khokha, is very important and we'll go to the museum. Why? Because आज मेरे को लग रहा था फिर से नहीं खुलेगा, तो मैंने खोला, मैं बहुत खुश हो गई कि खुल गया. और फिर मैंने ऐसे स्ट्रॉ डाला, अपना पार्टी स्ट्रॉ, और मैंने किया और यही आवाज आई क्योंकि पानी नहीं था. This nariyal came without pani, and I don't think I can offer something more cinematic, more symbolic, more poetic to denote the lockdown. So this is my offering. लोग नारियल फोड़ते हैं जो है जब कुछ शुरू करते हैं, हम नारियल का खोखा दे रहे हैं. लीजिए.
I mean, this is museum worthy for sure. I think you've got to be really lucky to chance upon a nariyal which is devoid of pani. So, it is cinematic. And how? Is it my turn? How can I top this now? Nariyal without pani. But okay, I've got one such similar metaphor, which is, I'm quarantined with my 4-year-old nephew, and he has a lot of toys, and he keeps playing with a bunch of things around me. But there's this one particular thing which I've never seen him actually play with, but I've always found it on my bed in the morning. So are you ready to see it?
I am.
Okay. So here goes. Ta-da! It is a very cute pink unicorn bag, and I have no idea how it makes its way to my bed every morning. And the weird part is I've not seen my nephew play with it. So who is
Hmm.
playing with this, guys? Who is playing with this guy? I really, really need. Nation wants to know. But
I think it might feature or pop up in your dreams. Okay, with that, it's my turn. Okay, so I think what I would like to offer to this museum on behalf of my fellow quarantiners, इन्हीं mugs में बहुत सारी चाय पी जा रही है. So I asked my father कि what would you want to donate to the museum? So my father said chai, of course, and then he corrected himself. He said नहीं, I think गर्म पानी, because अभी कुछ rumors चले थे different parts of the world में कि गर्म पानी पीने से you can fight the coronavirus and prevention is better than control. What? Prevention is
cure,
better than
cure.
cure. Considering there is no cure. Cure है ही नहीं. Prevention is the best. तो हम जो है गर्म पानी पी रहे हैं. I have been a voice artist for the last 12 years. तो मेरा तो रूटीन में ही था गर्म पानी पीना. तो मेरा तो चीट डे हो जाता है जिस दिन मैं रूम टेम्परेचर पानी पीती हूँ. लेकिन अब कुछ बदल गया है. हर 2-3 घंटे मेरे अब्बा घर भर को गर्म पानी पिलाते हैं. ठीक है, हर 2-3 घंटे, बहुत रिलीजियसली. सो रिसेंटली इट वाज माय मदर्स बर्थडे. सो ऑन द डे बिफोर हर बर्थडे शी सेज मुझे कोई गिफ्ट नहीं चाहिए. वी लाइक ओके, थोड़ा दिक्कत होती है आपको गिफ्ट देने में वैसे भी. तो कहती है मैं गर्म पानी नहीं पीऊंगी क्योंकि मेरा बर्थडे. So yeah, but on that note, I might also add that Shito donated my father only to the museum because, of course, he's quite the feature. मतलब इतना तो हमने कभी उनको घर पे नहीं देखा है. He's a workaholic, तो दिखते ही नहीं है हमें घर पे. हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं होता कि आज कौन सा दिन है. Like if you want to, on the basis of his routine, figure out whether today is a Saturday or a Sunday. Saturday, Sundays also he works. He'll come back at like 6, 7. No. Very happy working. So he's of course definitely like denotative, and I can understand why my mother is saying that. But please, let's not donate people to the museum. Please.
Yeah. Let's not donate people to the museum. Let's donate ideas and love and unicorn bags and khokla nariyal panis and any and every chance encounters you have had, Mad Hatters. Please do tell us in comments what would you like to donate to this imaginary museum. Of course, as they say, world is your oyster and it is what you make of it. So let's try maybe make the world our oyster. So on that note, Sabika.
Yes, we're going to offer some e-love from our e-bunker, or now what we can also call an e-museum, which basically reminds me you can also donate apps or screenshots because, well, everything is e. So with that, let's offer some love, you and me. Yes, love you.
Love you.